Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read a story called The Most Important Service. What's a service? I'm pretty sure you've heard that word before, but let's find out. A service is helping or doing work for someone else. The text that we're going to be reading is an opinion writing. So what makes it an opinion writing? In opinion writing, you use words like I think, I like, my favorite, the best. I think Miss Florence the best teacher. Just kidding. I like going to the beach. My favorite ice cream is chocolate. The best place is the beach. What's the difference between a fact and an opinion? A fact is something that can be proven. You can find it in a book. An opinion tells how someone feels. I like, I think, I believe. So let's take penguins, for example. A fact is that penguins are birds. An opinion is that penguins are silly. How about polar bears? Polar bears are cute. Polar bears eat seals. I wonder which one's an opinion and which one's a fact. Polar bears are cute is an opinion. Polar bears eat seals is a fact. Let's try one more. Worms are yucky. Worms have no bones. Which one do you think is an opinion? Which one do you think is a fact? Worms have no bones is a fact. Worms are yucky is an opinion. Now let's read the story together and find out why this story is an opinion piece. Follow along with your finger. The most important service. People provide services or important work for one another. Here are 3 opinions about which service is the most important. I think firefighters provide the most important service. Firefighters are trained to put fires out quickly. They rescue or save people and their pets from burning buildings. And over here in the blue words, we see a caption. Firefighters work hard to prevent fires from spreading. Let's read this little girl's opinion. I think that police officers provide the most important service. Police officers do many things that keep people safe. They patrol the streets and make sure that everyone obeys or follows the laws. They also solve crimes. Police officers provide an important service by helping people feel safe and protected. Now let's read this caption. Police officers visit schools and talk to students. Tomorrow we will read the next 2 pages. Now you can go back and read it yourself.